What we try to do is partner with manufacturers that integrate electrical controls into their equipment. So a lot of the industries could be HVAC. We do a lot of wastewater, pump lift station, sewage lift station. We're in the mining industry. And that's where we provide solutions to manufacturers specifically for their electrical control panel needs.
Custom Controls of Arizona is an electrical panel manufacturer, but not only that, not only do we build electrical control panels, but we solve problems. And so within the industry, people look to us for pumps, lighting, heating, cooling, all of those things, but they also look to us to solve problems within the industry of control.
What we try to do is partner with manufacturers that integrate electrical controls into their equipment. So a lot of the industries could be HVAC. We do a lot of wastewater, pump lift station, sewage lift station. We're in the mining industry, rock crushers, anything that needs control. So when you think of electricity, moving parts, electrical motors, everything needs to be started and stopped, monitored. And that's where we provide solutions to manufacturers specifically for their electrical control panel needs.
The industries that Custom Controls is part of mostly is air handling equipment, but we also do pump control. We do work for municipalities. We do work for hospitals. We do work for the car wash industry. Those are just some of the big ones.
One of the things I get really excited about is the impact that we have. Knowing that what we're controlling, what we're monitoring through our control panels that we design and build, it just provides value. In some applications, it's cool air to a warehouse of workers, or it could be water management, water purification, if it's at a wastewater treatment plant. So the end result is we're like a behind-the-scenes small piece that nobody sees in the infrastructure, but play a critical part.
We care about our people first and foremost, and we definitely have the attitude that if our team is strong, that our team is on board with our goals of quality, integrity, teamwork, that we will build the best product that is available. So I think that's definitely one thing that really separates us from our competition is our direct effort towards our team.
What Custom Controls is looking for as far as vendor relationships are that our vendors share the same values that we have. Those are going to be integrity, those are going to be discipline, and those are going to be teamwork. So we take extreme ownership when it comes to walking a project through our factory. And if our vendor is not willing to take extreme ownership in delivering a solid product and backing up the products that they deliver to us, it's just not going to work. We do a lot of our prep as far as cable assembly in-house. A lot of times what we do is we'll receive raw goods and cable assemblies from our vendors, and then we'll assemble those into glands and cord sets in-house. The newest piece of equipment that we have from Phoenix Contact is the cut and ferrule machines. We run 2 of those right now, and we're currently prepping a job of almost 6,000 panels, and those 2 machines are running that project. Another couple of the products we're using with Phoenix Contact, which we find just amazing, are their DIN rail and their Wireway. We're using large quantities of those.
Our relationship with Phoenix Contact over the next 5 to 10 years is going to exponentially grow. So the level of partnership that we receive and that we give are going to continue to grow, and we're going to take it to the moon. So our goals and aspirations are pretty astronomical, but we're going to do it. I want to work where there's relationships. And whether you're a big manufacturer or a small panel shop, we all matter and we can all do really big things together. So that's one of the big reasons why we chose Phoenix Contact, why we continually choose Phoenix Contact, is that they're a big company with a small company mentality that we can identify with and that we appreciate.